Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this MSc Info session. My name is Dr. Hailun Huang. I'm an assistant professor and also the program leader of the Master of Science in Low Altitude Economy. And today I'm going to spend some time introducing our program. And after that, if you are interested, you can ask questions. Okay. Firstly, let me talk about the university. It is located in a train station called Hongkan, which is an excellent location, and you can get access to 2 railways through this station. And the campus of PolyU is not very big, but it involves lots of facilities, including, for example, the swimming pool, library, and student accommodation, and so on. The Faculty of Engineering has now 5 departments, including Department of Aeronautical and Aviation Engineering, Department of Aeronautical Engineering, Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Department of Industrial and System Engineering, and the Department of Mechanical Engineering. And the program is offered by the first department, Aeronautical and Aviation Engineering. Here are several strategic research domains of the university, and they are shown here. And 2 of them are closely related to the Department of Aeronautical and Aviation Engineering, as you can see here. One is aerospace, and the other is aviation. The department has about 6 major research areas. Which are aviation engineering, satellite communication and navigation, aerodynamics, flight mechanics and control, aerospace structures and materials, and aerospace propulsion and combustion. And I'm within the group of flight mechanics and control. Now let me introduce a little bit more about each research area. Firstly, about aviation engineering, here we show one major research facility that is a flight simulator that mimics the model of A320 produced by Airbus. And with this facility, we can do lots of research and also training. For example, you can imagine we can investigate the human factors where this research facility. And also we have some training sessions where this simulator. Another group is satellite communication and navigation. They do receiver design, signal processing, positioning, navigation, mapping, and sensor fusion, as well as integrity monitoring. And we have strong collaboration with Huawei, and they donate lots of research funds to develop some functions for their devices. And another group is called aerodynamics. And here we show a major research facility, which is supersonic to hypersonic wind tunnel. And where this facility, we can do very good research, and lots of good publications are generated from this research facility. And the 4th group is called flight mechanics and control. In this group, we do different topics, which ranging from sensing, trajectory planning, decision making, and the low-level control. For example, here you can see that we focus on different types of models, and we do all the functions development for these kind of aircraft. And the 5th group is called aerospace structures and materials, and the staff in this group focus on, for example, here multifunctional nano composites. They study the materials, see whether they have some good features, characteristics, and they may want to make use of these kind of features and characteristics to create some new equipment, new devices. And the last one is called aerospace propulsion and combustion. And we also have strong collaboration with external institute to jointly investigate some frontier research domains. Uh, Here is the detailed information about the low altitude economy program. And we show the list of core subject, which mainly involves two categories. One is about the high-level management. For example, as you can see, we will study airspace management, service design, fleet management, as well as U-space design, air traffic service, urban aircraft system, traffic management, and so on. And on the other hand, we also focus on aircraft. For example, the rest subjects will be focusing on this aspect, including robust control technology, safety and reliability, as well as airworthiness requirement, mechanics and control, electronics design, and also informatics, as well as urban informatics. Uh, the basic description about the program is shown here. So we actually offer a fixed mode. Both part-time students and full-time students are allowed in this program. And the normal study duration for this program is 1.5 years for full-time. And if part-time, the normal study duration is 2.5 years. Each student needs to complete totally 30 credits for subject learning, plus 1 credit for academic integrity and ethics. And we offer 2 options to finish the study. Option 1, the students needs to complete totally 10 subjects, and this 10 subjects will include at least 6 from the core subject list. This is the first option. The second option is that a student can finish 7 subjects, include at least 6 from the core subject list, and 1 dissertation. So this dissertation is equivalent to 3 subjects. So each student can have both of these 2 options. They can select one of them. And the tuition fee for the program is 10,100 each credit. And the main round application deadline will be next January 15th. And if applicable, the extended round will end at 30th April 2026. And the total quota will be 76 for fixed mode, but it may change without further notice. Scholarship. We do offer scholarship for good performing students. For those students that choose dissertation, we may offer departmental dissertation scholarship, and this is just for dissertation mode, and the selection is based on merit. It is not guaranteed that a student that choose the dissertation mode will get the scholarship. No, it depends on the student's performance. And the amount of the scholarship is 5,000 per month up to 1 year. So totally 60,000 or during this dissertation. The basic entrance requirement for the program will have 2 aspects. Firstly, the students need to have a bachelor degree in engineering, science, or technology. But we also consider some other students that do not have bachelor degree in this domain, but they have solid working experience, relevant qualifications. For example, if a student has worked as a air traffic control officer, aircraft maintenance engineer, transportation engineer, control engineer, and so on, we would also consider such applications. So um, it is not very solid requirement on whether the bachelor degree is in engineering, science, or technology. If it is not the case, having some working experience or relevant qualification will also be considered. And another aspect is about language. We require the students to have, if it is TOEFL, we need the students to have 80 or above for internet-based test. And if it is IELTS, the minimum overall band score is 6 or above. Here we prepared some projects to let you understand what do we do. Firstly, we do some aircraft design. Basically, it is structural design ranging from small aircraft, this palm-sized drone, as you can see on the top left. And we also do some bigger drones. The diagonal size is about 1 meter. And here are some new configurations that are not standard quadrilaters. And we also investigate fixed wing and also this kind of tiltable wings. And we do the control part for them. We have a good laboratory in our department, and within this laboratory we can do lots of experiments. For example, here you can see we do the anti-disturbance experiment to test whether the quadrilateral can reject the external disturbance. And another aspect is agile flight. So we will teach students on how to do this kind of agile flight. Basically, it is starting from the operation of the onboard system as well as the algorithm writing. So on the left bottom video, it is a subject that I'm teaching, and the students will be able to finish this kind of flight once they finish the subject. And this is an industry supported project that is to enable the drone to fly into the balconies of some residential buildings. At the beginning, we start to do this project in our laboratory, and once achieved all the functions, we go to the outdoor environment. There is a building constructed by the industry partner, and we can test the algorithm on this building. And later, we extend this project in to enable the drone to fly into a building. The purpose for this project is just to deliver some documents. Okay. But for the original purpose, it is some puzzles up to 2 kilograms overall. Okay, and here will be the inquiry why, if you have any questions. About application and admission, you can contact our academic registry where the email and here is their website. And the program information can be answered by our general office, and here is also the email address. Okay, so that's all I wish to share with you today. And if you have any questions, you can ask now.